Ever wish you could magically find your lost keys or wallet? The Apple AirTag 4-pack is here to make that wish a reality, bringing unparalleled peace of mind to your daily life. We've all experienced that frantic scramble, turning the house upside down looking for essentials just before heading out. But with an AirTag attached, those days of dread are over, transforming how you track your most valuable items. What truly sets AirTag apart is its incredible precision finding, utilizing Ultra Wideband technology to guide you directly to your item with visual, haptic, and audio feedback. It's like having a personal detective for your belongings. Setting up these clever trackers couldn't be easier. Simply a one-tap connection with your iPhone, and you're ready to go, seamlessly integrated into your Apple ecosystem. Worried about bumps or spills? Don't be, because AirTag boasts IP67 water and dust resistance, meaning it can withstand everyday adventures without skipping a beat. This isn't just any generic Bluetooth tracker. It's a premium Apple product designed for accuracy, reliability, and ultimate ease of use, making it an essential tech upgrade. If you're looking to purchase the best smart tracker for your keys, bags, or even pets, check out the incredible deals on the Apple AirTag 4-pack, linked below in the description on Amazon. Imagine never having to waste precious minutes searching again, always knowing exactly where your important items are, right from your phone. For anyone seeking the ultimate solution to lost items and desiring true peace of mind, the Apple AirTag 4-pack is an absolute must-buy in 2025. Grab yours from the Amazon link today.